Then this is probably the last section. So you describe the change of metallic character to non-metallic character from left to right. So revisiting again, metal, non-metal. So when we go from left to right, it will change from metallic character to non-metallic character. Metallic character means it reacts like a metal, like chemical reactions are chemical reactions of metal. Then non-metallic means they have chemical reactions that looks typical of what kind of chemical reaction non-metals will have. Then another way to define it is metals will form metallic oxides. Metallic oxides are mostly basic oxides. Then non-metals will form acidic oxides and neutral oxides. You know that, right, from last chapter before the exam. Right, you have metals, non-metals. Metal form basic oxide, non-metals form acidic oxide. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
they say metallic character means their oxides will be basic, the other oxides will be acidic. Then you have the intermediates in between. The in-betweens may form amphoteric oxides. So no more. So properties of metals and non-metals. You also have this kind of physical properties like metals are high in melting and boiling point. They are good conductors of electricity. They are malleable and ductile. You know this?
No.
No.
I know
Malleable,
one means they can be bent.
yeah, then it can be beaten, and then the other one means it can be drawn into wires.
But I
This one can
forgot which one can be bent.
be turned into shapes. This one can be
Bent.
drawn into wires. Basically like that. Then they have a silver appearance. That's metals. Then the non-metals, they have low melting boiling point. They are good insulators of electricity. They are brittle in solid state. What is brittle?
Means fragile. Means can
Uh,
break easily.
yeah, can break easily. Like you throw glass on the floor, you will just smash. Then
Means it's glass.
yeah, glass is a non-metal. Then they have a variety of colors that one you also know, right? Sulfur is yellow.
Rubber. Rubber is not metal.
Rubber is not metal,
Rubber
it's
is red.
elements. We look at elements, we look at non-metallic elements.
Not metal.
Yeah, so later you will see more like group 7, you have a lot of elements, non-metals with different colors. Yeah, you can go and scroll and see there's a lot. Then chemical properties. So chemical properties for metals, they form basic oxide that reacts with acids to form salt and water. You know that. Then they form positive ion by losing electrons. You also know that. Then they form ionic compounds when combined with non-metallic elements. I'm sure you also know that. So non-metals is the reverse. It will form acidic oxides. They form negative ions, form covalent compound. You see? So when we say that it has metallic character, means it has this kind of reaction. So if it's non-metallic character, it will be the other one. This is metallic character. This is non-metallic character. So if the textbook, if the notes say element X has a metallic character, that means it can do these three things. If it say element Y has a non-metallic character, that means it does these three things. Yeah. So across the period, you will have non-metallic and metallic character. So on this side is metallic characters more, and then this is non-metallic character more because one side is metal and one side is non-metal. So there is a, from left to right, there is a decrease in metallic properties. Then this one probably not in your syllabus. There's this thing called metalloids. Metalloids. So metalloids are those that are in between metals and non-metals. So it reacts like a metal, it also reacts like a non-metal. So
Yeah, hydrogen.
yeah, but we don't call, I don't think we call hydrogen metalloids. Metalloids are here.
Means it's aluminum. Boron.
In between those on the line are metalloids. So these are silicon and germanium are two very characteristic metalloids because they are actually non-metals, but you use them to conduct electricity. So if you hold a computer, you have a phone, you will find a lot of silicon and germanium inside those things. So if you are interested to know, you can go and Google about it. Yeah, and we have world chip shortage right now, and chips are made out of silicon. Okay, so this is a summary. Last slide, then we will take a break. So this is a summary. So you have a periodic table down there, and then they tell you that if it's going down the group, the number of protons increase, the size of the atom increase, and the metallic property increase. I will explain this one in the next section. So next lesson. So then across the period, the metallic property decrease and the non-metallic property increase. So it becomes more and more non-metallic.